My plan is like to continue working for the Favour right now. Yeah. My name is Jose. I'm currently studying Masters of Software Engineering, and I'm currently on my final term 3. I have been a software developer for 7 years. I do full stack development, mostly for web apps and mobile apps. And I'm from the Philippines actually. Yeah. I got an internship at Food Me Limited. We are working on the Favour app at the moment, and yes, they offered me a job after the internship. Well, initially what I did is find internship opportunities at LinkedIn and Seek, but like there's no updates from the companies itself, so I changed my strategy to just find startup founders here in New Zealand. Since I came from a startup as well, I've had a startup in the last 2 years before I came here. I tried to find founders, newly established startup. With my experience, I can help them. So yeah, I tried looking for founders on LinkedIn and I tried connecting with them. And yeah, I tried to learn what they have or what they currently have, what their problems are. And yeah, I told them how I can help. And then I found the Favour. They accepted me after doing a trial work. They were impressed with whatever I did for the trial, so they ended up giving me an internship. Yeah. Good afternoon, everyone. The presentation for today is about my internship with Favour, about revolutionizing meal planning and grocery shopping with AI. And it is a case study about the Favour app. Favour is formerly known as DIY Meal Kit. It has been running for 2 years now. It's a mobile app. Currently, it has 30,000 signups and 3,000 monthly active users. Currently, it's addressing the limitations of the traditional meal kits. It have more than 100 of recipe options every week. Products are swappable. The pricing is transparent. Apparently, the pricing is getting directly from the Woolworths since the app is integrated to Woolworths. So what I proposed is to create an AI recipe importer, which like the users can get any recipes out there, like even if it's a web URL or from Instagram, and just import it to the app, and then they can see the recipe and the ingredients and push it directly to their Woolworths cart. We're using AI to import the recipe. It has like 5 simple steps. This is from an Instagram. They're parsed from the data that the ChatGPT gets from the web URL that the user has submitted. And then all of these, the prices are also coming from Woolworths. Is actually updated to the latest pricing and stock information. Currently, this is the technical stack. It's mostly in AWS. We're using React Native for the front end, for the mobile app, and then Python for the back end, and Django is for the admin part. The AWS Lambda. The APIs that we built for this one is deployed in AWS Lambda for like a serverless approach, and it's connected via the API gateway from AWS as well. We're using our Amazon RDS for the database, and Amazon EC2 and the Django, then Amazon S3 to save the images of the recipes and all of the authors' images as well. And yeah, we have some third-party API services as well, which is the ChatGPT or OpenAI's ChatGPT for the processing of the recipe importer. And we leverage AI to enhance the personalization of the users. And yeah, that's my report. Do you guys have any questions? One of the hardest part is learning their tech stack and trying to absorb whatever code they have already. I wasn't very familiar with Django before and Python, so that's one of the things that I've learned in the company. Yeah, I learned Python at yoobee. during our first trimester, and that helped me like learn Django very easily. Well, to be honest, I didn't work in a company in the Philippines. I mostly worked remote, but like the approach they have here is very different. They're pro work-life balance. So yeah, that's one of the things that I love here in New Zealand. Yeah. Working with teammates, actually, yeah, because maybe in my previous experience, I've always been just working on my own. It's one of the best things I learned, actually. Yeah. Oh yeah. Well, if you get stuck in a problem, it's easier. It's easier to like get help from a teammate, and also since I was closely working with the founder, so I learned a lot about the pain points of like having a developer that is not on premise, like when he's not directly talking to the developer personally. Yeah, currently Favour is out there in the market for 2 years, and the feature that we have built during my time there, or during my internship, is already being used by people right now, by the users. So currently around 10 users have been using it daily, 10 to 20, I think. I came here with my family last year before the school starts. My wife have an open work visa, and my daughter have a student visa because of my visa status. So yeah, they're my dependents. My immigration advisor suggested this school. Yeah, because yoobee have this trimester 1 year. You can finish it in 1 year, and I checked the curriculum, and it's quite interesting as well. They have blockchain, which I have experience with. I worked with blockchain industry in the past years as well. They have data engineering. They have ITS, or the transport system here in New Zealand, which are very interesting. So yeah, my advice would be just study hard and try to network as much as possible. I got this also from my friends who came here first in New Zealand. Yeah, like networking and making friends is definitely a must here since we are new. It's also gonna help you find jobs or internships. And yeah, just study hard and finish your coursework first. Yeah.